Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we are looking at the Crystal Palace away shirt for the 24-25 season. This shirt was purchased from bestzv1.com. All details for the seller will be in the description of this video. I will also try and leave a dhgate link. I might struggle, in all honesty, with my usual seller having Crystal Palace, but if I can find it I will. Otherwise I'll just leave a generic dhgate link to my usual seller. Shirt itself comes in a standard bag. On the flip side, it does have the traditional health warnings. If you are new around here, make sure you like this video and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. You can leave any comments, questions, messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. As I said, the seller for this one is bestzv1.com. Delivery time was about 15 days from the point of being told that the item had been dispatched. So cannot fault that at all. I've noticed this is a Macron one, obviously the same as the Blackburn ones, but it does appear to have a standard Macron tag, unlike the Blackburn which has sports performance, unless it has got sports performance on the other side. We'll take a look when we open it out. So what we'll do now is we'll get this bag open and we'll have a look at the Crystal Palace away shirt for the 24-25 season from bestzv1.com. Okay, we're on the front of the shirt and it's got just a standard like ring neck collar. Do like the fact that it's got the red and the blue, which obviously matches down. Oh, actually, I'm going to change what I said straight away. The material feels really silky, really nice. Feels lovely. But yeah, sorry, I like how the colours match the red and the blue that goes down on the front of the shirt. We have Macron heat pressed in, likewise the Premier League patch and the No Room for Racism, all have been heat pressed on. Macron here, oh that's nice. It's like a rubbery sort of texture. To be fair, it's the same feel as the Crystal Palace badge, which is like a rubbery feel as well. The net 88 is just standard heat pressed. And we have a sponsor on the sleeve of Cayenne.com. And that's just standard vinyl, likewise with the Macron at the top there. At the bottom, we do have the official licensed product, Eco Fabric. And that pattern down the front of the shirt, it's got the eagle on it, looks absolutely amazing. I really like that. There's a pattern in the shirt. Oh, it's actually got the eagle in the shirt there, look. I'm not sure if that's an eagle or not. But I really like the design of this one, which is what made me go for the away one. I've not looked at the home shirt, but I thought the away one just stands out. It looks such a nice colour. The red, the blue, the black, it just looks absolutely fantastic. We'll flip it around and we'll look at the reverse side as well. Okay, the reverse side is quite a bit different to the front. The front obviously got a lot of detail and pattern on it. The reverse side has just got the eagle at the top there, heat pressed on, then the red and the blue on the back. Obviously no name and number. That would look quite nice on this one because it is just a big black empty canvas. Although it is nice to see lots of little eagles through the back of the shirt. I'll put my hand through it, being black, you can't really see through it, which is nice. Just trying to get the light onto it, but no, it's looking good. Hemline, stitching looks fine. Oh, a little bit of a extra cotton there on the join and on there, but nothing to really worry about at all. And the joins all look relatively tidy. So we'll flip it around and we'll look inside of the shirt as well. See what that brings us. Okay, we're on to the inside of the shirt now. Stitching all at the top looks nice. Likewise down to the bottom. It's got a very small fold over, look for the hemline on the front. The back's a bit chunkier. But yeah, the front is very small. But hopefully you can actually see, now we're on the inside, the glisten of the material, the shine of like the silky material. Stitching all looks good though. Under the arms looks fine. did just notice a bit of extra cotton there. Badge has been pressed on nicely, likewise with the Macron. A couple of creases in the shirt from where it's been in the bag, but the sponsor's gone on really well. Likewise on the sleeve, there's a crease from the bag, but once the shirt's been worn, that will soon come out and you will not notice anything at all. Washing instructions on this tag here. Recommendation is to hand wash only, and when you dry it, then just let it hang dry. Do not put it in your tumble dryer. But that's the first part of the inside. We'll turn it around and we'll look at the back of the inside of the shirt as well. Okay, so here's the final part of the inside of the shirt. We do have the South London and Proud Macron size XL M Performance system. That's all been heat pressed on. And the tag that we looked at the start, so it is just a standard Macron technical sportswear tag size XL, so no sports performance here. Stitching all looks good. I doubt if I push in you'll see anything through it because the material is quite thick actually. So it's a nice silky feel, but it is thick. A lot thicker than some of the ones that we normally see. A lot of creasing down the bottom here, but again, once a shirt's been worn a few times or even washed, those creases will soon vanish. All looking good though on the inside. I like the red and the blue, continues on the sleeves as well and on the inside. But yeah, at the bottom, that you can see the hemline is a lot chunkier than it was on the front. I don't know why the front is so small. I'd be a little bit worried by that in all honesty. But there is the inside of our Crystal Palace away shirt for the 24-25 season. And there is our Crystal Palace away shirt for the 24-25 season from bestzv1.com. I will leave details to the seller in the description of this video, so don't worry about writing it down. I'll also try and find a dhgate link. I doubt it'll be for Crystal Palace, but I will have a look, otherwise it will just be a standard link to my usual seller. Now I love the design of this shirt. I love the red and the blue. I think that looks so nice actually. I prefer it looking like this, like break tub effect. If it was just a standard red and blue line, I don't think it'd look as good. But yeah, having this broken down image looks really smart. If anybody knows what that actually is, then please do let me know. I did spot a football there actually. So maybe it is the Crystal Palace emblem. Yeah, maybe it is. But if someone does know, please do tell me, because I'm not 100% certain. But all in all, a really, really nice shirt. I've gone for this one over the home one. I've not looked at the home one yet. I might do, but I thought this one just looks so smart, so I had to get a hold of it. So if you have enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe if you're new. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. You can leave any comments, questions, messages below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But thank you very much for watching this Crystal Palace away shirt for the 24-25 season from BestZV1, and I'll see you in the next one.